Good day, guys. So today I'll be teaching you how to use MT4 on iOS, or let me say iPhone. Yes. So let's head straight to our MT4. So this is the first phase, which is the code phase of the MetaTrader 4 on iPhone. So what should we do first? Let me show you how to log in your account on iPhone. So you come to setting. After coming to setting, you click on new account. If this is the first time you are opening the account, this is how it's going to be. There will be nothing at the top here. There will be nothing at the top here. You can see 500 plus. That's the account that is on this account. So let me just click on new account. So you click on log into an existing account. Then you can search for your server name, which is going to be provided by your brokerage firm. So let's just search for, let's say, Xnext. So you see a lot of Xnext. You can see there are a lot of Xnext there. So it depends on the kind of server your broker give to you. So you can see, you can also see the trial, which is the demo account too. You can see the real account, you can see the trial account. So you click on, let's just click on one for the purpose of this class. Let's click on this 12. Then after that, you're going to put in the login details, like the login ID that your broker is going to give you once you open on the account with them. So you also put in the password, then you click on sign in, then your account is logged in. So let's go back now. So this account is already logged in. So sometimes if you open your MetaTrader 4 at first, it's going to be a default setting. So if you want your own interface of MT4 should be like mine here. So what you're going to do is just come to setting, you click on charts, then you can see candlestick toggle on. So you come to colors, then you do the setting like that. You can screenshot this now, so you can do it on your own. Just replicate what you can see here on your own um phone. So let me go back now. I don't want this video to be too long, so you can also change your interface to what's it called, to tablet interface. I think, don't think that's applicable on, okay, that you can't do that on iPhone. You can't do that on iPhone. So let's just head straight to how to place trade. So okay, let me explain this plus button. This plus button at the top is what we call crosshair. What this simply helps us to do is that you can see once you click on it, it pops up like a plus button, like a plus a line on your screen. So you can use the horizontal line to check the price, like to check the accurate price of what you want to check, and you can use the vertical line to check the date and the time, so that's just what crosshair is used for. So this f logo is simply means indicator, though I don't use indicator for my own chart technical analysis. So it is just for indicators. You can add your indicator if you want to edit. You click on the main window. So it depends on the kind of indicator you want to use if you are using indicator, but my technical analysis strategy does not need indicator, so I don't need it. So I just leave my chart plain. So let's assume that you want to do some analysis on this, on your MetaTrader 4. I told you guys that we are going to be doing our analysis on TradingView, but let's assume that you want to do your analysis on MetaTrader 4. So you click on this last shape button. So you can see the vertical line, the horizontal line, the trend line, and some other technical analysis tools there. So you can use them. You can also add some other objects again. You can see also add your Fibonacci retracement and other technical analysis tools. But these MT4 technical tools are limited, unlike the trading view. Trading view, you have much more than this. You understand? So let me just go to how you can place a trade because I don't want this video to be too long. So let's assume that you want to place a trade on this account now. You click on the trade, then it comes to this page here now. So if you want to use the market execution, don't forget market execution is that you are buying at the current market price. So you can see the market execution at the top under the GBP USD. So if you want to change your currency pair from GBP USD to the other, you click on the GBP USD. You can see you can toggle on another currency pair. It has changed to Euro USD. So this is it now. So this is market execution. Let's assume that you want to do pending order. So you click on the market execution again. You can see buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. I already explained what these terms are in our forex basics class. So let me the following line is the lot sizing interface. So that is where you're going to input your lot size. You can go ahead and use your standard lot size, which is one standard. You can use you can use mini lot size, which is 0.1. We start from the 0.1. So you can also use 0.01, which is the lowest lot size, which is the micro lot size. So you click on buy and sell after placing all these things. So this is your stop loss level. You can add your stop loss level by just putting the number you want to put there, and take profit as well. You put in the number, then you click on buy or sell. It depends on the kind of trade you are taking at that point in time. So let's move on to the next thing under this. So this is where your trades load up. So if you place a trade now, this is where it's going to show. It's going to show here. You can see since we are not on any trade, the balance, the equity, and the free margin is all the same. This is how it's going to show on iPhone. So you can also play trade from this plus button at the top right corner. You can also play straight from there. So this is your history. This is where you're going to see the history of what you've done in the past, or what you are or what the account is currently on about. So let me just do some. So you can also custom. You can see this account now. This account is on a drawdown of 42.71 cents dollar. So that that's that on the account. So let me move on to the next thing. What else do I need to explain there? So this is the chart. So you can change your time frame. You can see H4 at the top. You can change it to maybe 15 minutes. You can change it to 1 hour. H1 means 1 hour, and H4 means 4 hour. ID1 means daily time frame. That is, each candle represents a day, and each candle on this 1 hour too represents 1 hour. So that is just simply what it means. So you can also check 1 minute. That is, one candlestick on this chart here simply means that it takes 1 hour to do this up and down. So that's like it takes 1 minute or 15 minutes for a candle to close. So that's just what that simply means. So you can also, if you place a trade, let's assume that you place a trade, you can just long hold on the trade to edit, like to modify. I don't want to place any trade on this account because it's not for me, it's just for one of my mates. I just have to use like his iPhone to do this. So that is how you can use iPhone for this is how you can use iPhone to trade. So you can change this to simple interface. You can change it to advanced. Advanced provides you more details. You can see spread, dates, and all. So that is that on MT4. So you can also add to this currency pair here. You can also add to this currency pair by clicking this plus button. Can also add. So you write the name of the currency pair you want to add. You can see a lot of currency pair are there. So you write out the currency pair you want to add and click on it. Then it adds automatically to that to this page here. So you can also edit this if you don't want some other currency pair to be here. If you just want the 8 major pair to be here, you can edit them here by deleting the ones that you don't want. You understand? You just click on the red delete the recycle button at the top right corner here. So you click on them and delete it. So that's that. You can just come back here. This is how to use MT4 on on iPhone. So that's that on this video.